what is now in Jagat app? So now is basically the button, you can see it in the bottom. And this is like a, Be Real feature or TikTok now, where you can just post a photo attached to specific location. So you can just tap now. You need to give access to to your camera. You can change your zoom. Here you can just see my desk, whatever, and then you can just add a caption. Then you can just approve this caption. You can create a new location. You can discard nearby locations. You can attach the locations there. You can select the privacy and change the privacy. So okay, this is just to friends, and then you can just tap send, and then you will see that you just sent it this location to something like that. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Also, you can see turn on radar, and radar will allow you to post to see nows posted within 50 kilometers by other people. It just of course depends in which location are you. Are there a lot of people in this place, or probably this app is mostly popular in US, but yeah, there you have it.